Now let's demonstrate how this works. Go ahead, turn it on. So as you can see, this is very, very, very powerful. Like really powerful. You guys see how it creates this almost like whirlwind of water? Hello my friends, today we are taking a look at the famous Way-Do. This is an underwater scooter. That's right my friends, if you have a pool, a lake, a river, a creek that's deep enough, you guys can use this. You can use it on an inner tube, you can use it on a surfboard, and so much more underwater. My friends, you can pause the video here if you want to see some more information, but let's show you guys what you're actually getting from this famous Way-Do. It's Way-Do time! So here we can take a look and see that all the accessories, everything comes nice and packaged, so it's all nice and protected. They provide you with all your accessories that you're going to need, even your power charging cable and all that fun stuff. They give you your full manual, your full how-to guide. It goes over all the accessories that it comes with and so much more, my friends. You can go ahead and mount your handbars on here. You have your throttle button right on the side here. And of course, your power connector cable as well. Your power connected cable is going to go right on here after you remove this piece here. And if you want to save it, I recommend saving this piece. So go ahead and remove it. Make sure you get out all the cardboard. And this is just glue, so you can just use your finger to pull this off and wipe that off if you need to. And then you would slide this piece right down in there and it caps on just like that. For charging the battery, you you twist off this cap. Once it's fully charged, go ahead and place this cap back on and make sure you have it tight. It should lock in place once you're done. Here's your on and off button, and when you turn it on, it's going to light up. Now, keep your fingers away from here because the blade's down inside there. You would hold on to your scooter like this in the water and you press, and now you're able to go. Overall, it is small, it's compact, and it can handle kids, teens, and adults. Just make sure who's ever using it, they are familiarized with how it works. And if there's ever algae or anything that gets caught down in here, do not operate it when it's turned on. Make sure it's turned off completely. There should be no lights lit up here. And then have an adult use something to pull it off. You can twist these caps off and you can do that, but be very careful. That jet has a lot of power. We're gonna add some more water. And I recommend everyone try it out before you get somewhere and it's not charged or it doesn't work. Just if there's some issue, but it seems to be made of extreme high quality. Very powerful. Very, very powerful. I can't wait for, I would say probably summertime for us to do a testing video of it. Right now it's winter, so you can see how powerful this is. Look at that jet. Look how powerful it is. Overall, I'm super excited, guys. See you in our test video in the summer. And of course, when you're done using it and you're storing it away, pop off the cap here, the power, and disconnect it completely. If you need to clean the cap, what you do is you twist the cap. So you find which way is the, there we go. Twist this off, make sure it's fully disconnected. And this is how you clean your blade. So you clean the blade So you guys can see we actually have some pet fur because we used our bathtub that we wash our dog in it. But this is actually a good example because this is how algae would build up. So depending on where you're using it, algae and just different things can build up. So it's good to always check your blade and clean your blades off often. Overall, if I could give this 1,000 stars, I would. This thing is amazing.